is, I'm 18 years old and my incisor teeth are broken. Can my teeth grow again? If not, what are the alternatives?
So if you are 18 years old,
Mhm.
you pretty much have your permanent teeth at that time, particularly the two front teeth that you have.
Mhm.
Those are pretty much the permanent teeth because they come at the age of 6 or 7 or not later than eight. So if they are broken, depending on where they are broken, if it is a small chip,
Mhm.
then they can be very easily fixed with what we call it as a tooth colored filling. Even if it is a minor fracture or like a minor chip,
Mhm.
it can still be fixed with some veneers or some crowns. But if they are completely broken, sometimes even they are broken at the gum line, we still have a possibility of fixing them with some extensive restorative procedures. For example,
Mhm.
what we call it as a post and core. We are still able to fix that. The worst case, if they are completely broken under the gum line
Mhm.
and you cannot use any post or core at that point, they can still be fixed, but you need some replacement teeth using dental implants at that time. So that is exactly what we do in our office. So
Mhm.
patients come into our office with completely broken down teeth
Mhm.
at the gum line, and they go to the dental office, and the dentist looks at the teeth, and then they say, well, as a dentist, we cannot help you with this broken tooth.
Right.
It is far beyond the point anything can be done to
Mhm.
salvage your own tooth. So you need to go see Dr. Badivel. So when they come to see me, so we remove the teeth,
Mhm.
and as soon as we remove the teeth, we put the dental implants in there. Depending on the condition, we are able to give them teeth on the same day. So they walk out with the teeth from our office, or sometime, depending on the damage, if they are not able to receive the temporary tooth on the implant itself the same day, we give them either what we call it as a flipper tooth, which is a removable appliance, or we have like a bleaching tray kind of thing,
Mhm.
which they can wear for a period of 2 to 3 months. And at the end of 2 to 3 months, when the implants completely heal, when the implants get fused to the bone completely,
Mhm.
then at that point they're going to receive a replacement tooth. The beauty of the implant is it is just going to feel, function, and look like a natural tooth. Nobody would even ever know.
Mhm.
And whether you are 18 years old or 80 years old, if you have any teeth that are broken down to the point that you cannot salvage them, we have the dental implants now we can help you with.
Oh, great.
Yeah,
Many options.
absolutely. Yes, sir. Yes,
Mhm.
sir.